We're looking for a soft furnishing company that is professional, and we really want someone with good reputation. So my husband and I got our apartment in December last year, and we were looking for a soft furnishing company that is professional, and we really want someone with good reputation. So as home renovation was very new to us, we really needed someone who can take us through the process step by step. So we chanced upon Craft Axis during my online search, and we saw very good and excellent rating on their review. Things progressed really quickly once we've made our selections, and the entire process up until the final installation was very efficient.
When it came down to choosing our products, there was a wide range to select from at Craft Axis. For our living room and all 3 bedrooms, we chose Venetian blinds and curtains for a window. And to keep the heat from the sun out of our balcony, we've installed outdoor zip screen. I'm so thankful to have installed this zip screen, as our house faces the setting sun and our house can get very warm if unshaded. For our newborn room, we wanted a dreamy wallpaper for him to wake up to every day, and we chose something that's very high quality and also safe for our baby.
We had really amazing overall experience with Craft Axis. So from helping us to understand their product range and the clear expectation of the renovation timeline, right up to the installation day, the design consultant was very hands-on, and she patiently walked us through the entire process. We are more than happy with the quality of the products from Craft Axis. So if given a chance, I would definitely like to work with them again.